Best deals.
1. Lunchbox. Comes with a split partition design, allowing you to separate different foods like fruits, salads, and main dishes. This design helps you maintain a nutritious, balanced diet by avoiding flavor mixing, keeping your meals fresh, clean, and perfectly organized. Built to withstand a wide temperature range, this lunchbox is both microwavable and refrigerator safe. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Whisk. As a flat whisk, Twist is ideal for mixing sauces in low pans or for making gravy in roasting trays. Its silicone-coated steel wires are suitable for non-stick cookware and are ideal for scraping and combining ingredients together, preventing them from burning on the bottom of a pan. With a simple turn of the handle, Twist also becomes a highly effective balloon whisk, allowing egg whites to be whipped into ideal peaks. Twist can be easily dismantled for cleaning and, after use, can be closed flat for convenient storage in a drawer. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Stackable container. Are made of high-quality stainless steel. These cooker containers are very strong and sturdy. This stainless steel separator container set allows you to cook a whole meal, rice, lentils per deciliter and vegetables all together in few minutes with minimum use of fuel, energy and retaining all essential nutrients. This set comes with stainless steel lid to trap heat and moisture. There is air vent to each container to release extra steam pressure. This set is stackable and can use for multiple things like steam, stack leftover food, mixing food, etc. It is very easy to maintain and clean. It is dishwasher safe too. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Fry pan. This skillet is best to use for sautéing vegetables, preparing fluffy French toasts, eggs and a variety of other preparations. This skillet comes with a long handle that comes handy when transporting the skillet within your kitchen or dining area. Made with heavy-duty cast iron, the skillet is sturdy and long-lasting. The heat-retaining properties of cast iron helps to keep the food warm and distributes the heat evenly before first use. Rinse the cast iron tawa with hot water and towel dry thoroughly. Then wash the product with dishwashing soap, liquid only and towel dry thoroughly. Regular bath soap and harsh cleaning detergents should never be used to clean pre-seasoned cast iron cookware. Apply oil generously on cooking surface and heat it on low flame till it smokes. The cookware is now ready to use. For best results, use medium heat for cooking and apply a small amount of vegetable oil to the tawa's surface before each use. After cooking, clean the tawa using a stiff brush and hot water, then rinse and towel dry. To remove stuck on food, pour boiled water on the tawa for a few minutes to loosen residue, then rinse and towel dry. To clean, wash by hand only. After washing, towel dry immediately and apply a light coat of oil to the cooking surface. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Rack. Comes with 3 storage compartments which allow you to organize the space for toothbrush, shaving accessories, face wash, 4 hanging hooks, with small-sized drain holes in the bottom of each container for water flow. This storage stand is crafted of hard solid plastic and has high load-bearing capacity and holds up to 5 kg with powerful adhesion system. Make sure you are using the product on a clean and smooth surface. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Trash bin. Flip the lid up or slide it down, designed for flexibility and ease, no matter your kitchen setup. Made from durable 410 grade stainless steel, HOFU hanging trash can comes with a tight seal lid to block odors. Rust-proof, waterproof, and easy to clean. Detachable hook design lets you move and reattach the bin effortlessly. Wherever you need it. Hide it behind the cabinet doors when not in use. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Storage jars. Made from premium food-grade silicone that won't crack, shatter, or chip like glass. Safe for everyday use in busy kitchens, family homes, travel, picnic and RV living. BPA-free silicone keeps your food safe. A clean, safe choice for storing hot or cold meals. Freezer safe for meal prep, microwave safe for reheating, and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, one container that does it all. Secure lid helps keep food fresh longer while preventing spills during fridge or freezer storage. Much lighter than glass jars and easier to handle. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Grill pan. Made from cast aluminium body with a non-stick coated granite finish inner layer. It is made with a flat bottom which allows it to be placed evenly over heat source. Suitable for use on induction and gas cookers. To be used in low flame. Enjoy a low oil lifestyle with a PFOA-free pan, delivering healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. Cook delicious grilled vegetables, paneer or meat, fry and sear in the versatile Cookad grill pan. Ideal for grilling cheese sandwiches. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Glass jar. 400 ml capacity round glass jars are the ideal size for storing spices, herbs, jams, preserves, teas and more. It perfects for homemade candles, wedding favors, shower favors, DIY craft gifts, yogurt maker, pudding, baby food, cosmetics. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Trolley. Crafted from high quality, durable metal. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Ice maker machine. It combines self-cleaning feature and has a drain plug at the bottom for easy removal of unused water. This countertop ice maker can produce 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in around 6 to 9 minutes. The first 3 batches of ice usually take between 10 to 15 minutes. Post that it will get faster, and can product up to 12 kilograms of ice in 24 hours. The indicator on the portable ice maker will alert you when the basket is full, and will remind you to add water when the ice machine is running low. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Mat. Crafted with high-density combed cotton, this premium bath mat delivers exceptional softness, plush comfort, and superior durability for everyday bathroom use. Highly absorbent cotton fibers quickly soak up water after showers, helping keep bathroom floors dry while ensuring fast drying to prevent damp odors. Equipped with a strong non-slip latex backing that provides excellent grip on tiles and smooth floors, reducing the risk of slips in wet bathroom areas. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Electric chopper. With its intuitive one-touch operation, this mini chopper simplifies your food preparation. Just press a button, and the powerful blades spring into action, effortlessly chopping your ingredients to perfection. Safety is paramount, and this electric mini chopper ensures peace of mind. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Dish drainer rack. The multipurpose dish drainer basket utensil stand, dish drying rack, and bartan stand, ideal for holding kitchen vessels securely, while the countertop organizer rack provides ample space to neatly store. The perfect kitchen companion simplifies organization and storage, keeping your countertop tidy and your tasks efficient. It's an essential addition to any modern kitchen. Tabletop dishwasher's rack, dish drying rack plastic, kitchen drainer dish rack, utensils organizer. This 2-layer rack comes with the dish rack, providing additional space to hold cooking spatulas, spoons, forks, knives, glasses, and other crockery items. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Stand mixer. 1400 watts powerful motor comes with 100% copper motor providing strong planetary movement for optimal mixing results. 6 speed levels and pulse function supports dough, beating, whisking for making various recipes like bread, roti, cake, cookies, muffin and much more. Use dough hook within speed of 1 to 3, beater within speed of 2 to 4, whisker within speed of 5 to 6. Use pulse function for quick blending as per need. 6 liters stainless steel bowl and 1.5 liters glass blending jar ensures to meet decent cooking volumes for small family, parties or celebrations. Metal meat mincer allows you to grind meat with a consistent quality. The product comes with splash guard which enables to keep your kitchen clean and non-messy while mixer does its perfect blending, dough or whisking. Tilt head is designed for easy to installing and uninstalling bowl-in attachment. The anti-slip rubber cap are fixed at the bottom for safety in not spilling mixture. At the heart of this comprehensive kitchen hub is a commanding 1400 watt motor. Engineered entirely with 100% pure copper windings, this motor provides significantly higher electrical and thermal conductivity compared to standard aluminum alternatives. This translates to greater torque and relentless power, allowing the machine to seamlessly power through stiff batters, dense bread doughs, and heavy-duty grinding without experiencing overheating or motor strain. The copper construction also ensures increased durability and a longer operational lifespan, even when subjected to rigorous, daily use. To harness and control this raw mechanical power, the appliance is equipped with 6 distinct speed settings in addition to a highly responsive pulse function. This granular control is vital for achieving professional-grade textures across different recipes. The lower speeds, typically gears 1 to 3, are designed for heavy load operations. This includes the slow, deliberate folding of ingredients, the initial hydration of flour for breads, and the vigorous kneading process. Medium speeds, such as gears 3 to 4, are perfectly calibrated for creaming butter and sugar for cakes, or mixing thick cookie doughs. The highest speeds, gears 5 and 6, provide the rapid, high-velocity action required for aerating egg whites, whipping fresh cream, and producing flawless, stiff meringues. The pulse function acts as an override switch, delivering short bursts of maximum power. This is an invaluable feature for quick, controlled blending, halting the motor instantly to prevent overprocessing and ensuring you have complete command over the final consistency of your preparations. Operating the mixing functions of this machine is an immersive, multi-dimensional experience thanks to the planetary mixing action. In a traditional mixer, the attachment spins on a single axis. In contrast, the planetary system allows the mixing attachment to rotate on its own axis while simultaneously sweeping around the inside of the bowl. This ensures that the attachment reaches every single part of the container, simulating the rigorous folding and scraping motions of hand mixing but with far greater efficiency and consistency. As a result, dry pockets of flour, streaks of butter, or unevenly distributed spices are completely eliminated, leaving you with a perfectly uniform, homogeneous mixture every single time. The spacious 6-liter stainless steel SS bowl serves as the primary mixing chamber. Crafted from food-grade, corrosion-resistant stainless steel, this bowl is entirely non-reactive, ensuring that it will not alter the flavor, color, or aroma of your acidic or delicate ingredients. The generous capacity means you can effortlessly process large volumes of food in a single batch. Whether you are preparing dough for a large family dinner, baking multiple batches of cookies for a holiday gathering, or whipping up a towering celebration cake, this bowl accommodates the large quantities without overflowing or causing a mess. Furthermore, stainless steel is renowned for its durability, hygiene, and ease of maintenance. It is highly resistant to staining, odor absorption, and impact, and can be easily washed to ensure pristine cleanliness. Accompanying the massive bowl are specialized, heavy-duty attachments that attach to the planetary shaft. The dough hook is the ultimate tool for kneading. Kneading by hand can be a physically exhausting, messy, and time-consuming process, especially when working with high hydration doughs or stiff whole wheat flours. The dough hook mimics the action of hands, continuously stretching, folding, and pressing the dough. This vigorous action develops the gluten strands efficiently, resulting in beautifully elastic, smooth, and cohesive doughs for breads, pizza bases, and artisanal pastries. By automating this process, the machine ensures that the dough reaches the ideal stage of gluten development without the baker needing to exert physical force. For the production of batters, frostings, and meatloaf mixtures, the mixing beater, or flat beater, is employed. This attachment is designed to thoroughly combine medium-density mixtures without whipping excess air into the batter. It is the workhorse for creaming butter and sugar together, a critical step in baking that requires the incorporation of tiny air pockets to create light, fluffy cakes and cookies. The flat beater is also ideal for breaking down cream cheese, incorporating mashed potatoes to a creamy smoothness, and evenly distributing herbs and spices into ground meats before processing. Beyond the baking components, this multifaceted machine features a heavy-duty metal meat grinder attachment. Transforming the stand mixer into a meat mincer expands its functionality far beyond a simple dough maker. The grinder attachment allows you to take control of the ingredients in your sausages, meatballs, burger patties, and meat sauces. Pre-packaged ground meat often contains hidden fats, trimmings of varying quality, and can harbor bacteria due to exposure and processing. By grinding your own meat at home, you have complete authority over the cut of meat you use, the exact ratio of lean meat to fat, and the hygiene of the preparation process. The metal construction of the grinder ensures robustness, allowing it to easily process tough cuts of beef, pork, poultry, and even dense game meat. The grinding mechanism utilizes a heavy-duty auger that pushes the meat forward toward the cutting blade and grinding plates. These sharp, precision-engineered metal blades slice through the meat cleanly, rather than crushing it, which preserves the texture and natural juices of the meat. With multiple grinding plates included, you can choose the coarseness of your grind, allowing you to create everything from finely textured ground meat for delicate terrines and sausages to costly ground meat for rustic, robust burger patties and bolognese sauces. This attachment essentially eliminates the need to purchase a separate standalone meat grinder, thereby saving valuable counter space and reducing the number of appliances you need to store and maintain. Adding to the versatility is the 1.5-liter blending jar, which converts the appliance into a fully functional blender. Whether made of robust glass or durable, food-grade materials, this blending jar is designed to handle both hot and cold ingredients, making it an incredibly useful tool for everyday cooking and beverage preparation. The sharp, multi-pronged stainless steel blades can effortlessly crush ice for frozen margaritas and iced coffees, puree piping hot vegetables for velvety soups, and blend fruits and vegetables into nutrient-rich smoothies and detox juices. It is also highly capable of emulsifying sauces, creating marinades, grinding spices or coffee beans, and preparing smooth batters. The convenience of having a blending jar driven by the same 1400W motor base means you can quickly transition from kneading bread dough to whipping up a fruit smoothie, all without needing to switch on a secondary appliance. Product link is given in the 15th link.